So many different layers, and steps to these cases. I was reading something interesting yesterday, Ronald. I wanted your take on it. One of the Venezuelan plaintiffs include a man who is HIV positive, and he fears lacking medical care if deported. Does that concern come into play at all in a court of law? Does that factor into anything, or not so much?
Well, that can when we look at detention decisions, whether somebody should be detained while they're pending some sort of proceeding. It feels like that argument might be made in that sort of context. That's not going to make a difference as to whether or not they can be ultimately deported, because it's just simply not a factor. However, this seems to be the kind of language that we would see supporting asylum, where they may say that I'm not going to get health care. Therefore, that's an issue. I think that argument's going to fall on deaf ears. There are certainly plenty of individuals in the United States prisons, and certainly plenty of individuals who've been deported who may have certain diseases like HIV. I don't think that's really going to work in terms of stopping any sort of action.